Yes, children. Good morning, everybody. Hope you all are fine. Today we'll see compound words. What is compound words, children? A compound words is when two words are combined to form a new type of compound words. Compound words is nothing but combination of two words. What types of words you combine, children? See, you combine noun plus adjective, verb plus noun, adjunct plus noun, adjunct plus adjective, noun plus noun. See, I am showing you what all the words you can combine. Various words, noun plus verb, adjective plus noun, proportion plus verb, adjective, blood, red. Now if you take blood, it is separate word. Red you take, it is separate word. But when you combine that, it gives you separate meaning. Okay, you take one word separate, that gives different meaning. You add that word to another word, it is the entire meaning changes. Now see, noun plus adjective, you see, snow white. What is snow? Snow, it's a noun. What is noun? Name of a person, place, animal or thing. Any word that's naming, it's a noun. And what is adjective? Describing noun is adjective. Okay, now see, when you take snow, it's noun. It is separate word. You know what's the meaning of snow. And you know white is adjective. What is white? You know. When you add that, when you combine snow plus white, it gives snow white. So the meaning changes. Now if you take lifelong, you take life, it is noun. Long, it is adjective. A different meaning. Life, you take separate word, different meaning. When you take long, it is different meaning. When you combine, it gives you the other meaning. Lifelong, different meaning. Now let us see noun plus noun. Add man. Add, it is separate meaning. Man also, it is separate meaning. When you add that, it is giving the other meaning. Add man. Add port, the same way airport also. Port is something different. But when you add with airport, it is port, you have so many ports. Airport, seaport, so many. But here, since you are adding air with port, it gives you the other meaning of birthplace. See, two words same. Add together two words. Birthplace, it is birth, it is different. You take different. You take the word separately. Birth, it's giving you different meaning. When you take the word place, again it gives you different meaning. And when you combine this, totally the meaning changes. Ear, ring, same noun. Ear is noun. Ring is also noun. You can try, children, with a list of words. You can try. Now see, verb plus noun. What is verb? Any action word is known as verb. See, bath, room. Bath, it is action word. Room, it is noun. When you add that, it gives you some different meaning. Bathroom. Passport. Pass, when you pass. Different meaning it is. Pass, it's a verb. Port, it is noun. But when you add that, the entire meaning differs. That's what I am trying to tell you, children. Compound word, it is nothing. Combination of two different words, it gives you the other meaning. That is only compound word. Compound in the sense joining. You join one word with other. That is compound word. Postmaster. See, post, you take post, it is different meaning. Master, it is different word. But when you join, the meaning differs. Now coming to some other words again. Noun plus verb, we will see. Sun, rise. Sun, you know what is sun? Rise. Rising it is. You combine that, the meaning differs. Adjective plus noun. Fast food. Proportion, you know what is proportion, no children? Proportion verb. See, compound words can also be with proportion plus verb. Now example, how do you get, children? In exams, they give you word and it is you who should find out the two different words, which is the words that is given. It is a noun plus adjective, a noun plus verb, verb plus noun, a noun plus noun, adverb plus noun, a proportion plus noun. What it is, you must really find out. Okay, now see here. Adjective plus verb, it is given again. What is adjective? That describe word. The word that describes noun, it is adjective. And what is verb? Any action word is verb. Okay. Again now see. Gerund plus noun. What is gerund, children? Adding ing to the word, it is gerund. Okay, see, bleaching ing, where the word is added ing, it is gerund. Children, you must understand, where the word is added ing form is added, it is gerund form. So bleaching, it is gerund, and powder, it is noun. So it is gerund plus noun. Drawing room, ing form is added, so drawing room. Sleeping, sleep plus ing, it is sleeping, gerund form. Pill, sleeping pill. So hope you understand. Yes, children. Now we'll go on to next topic. It is prefix and suffix. See, you would have learned prefix and suffix in your lower classes. Okay, anyways, let us revise about it. Now, what is prefix, children? Prefix is nothing but a word that comes before the other word. That is only prefix. When any word is joined before the other word, the meaning of the word changes. Now see, here you have many prefix. Let us go on with some examples. Okay. Now see, from a new word by adding a suitable prefix to the root word. Now to the root word manage, what word can be added? See, here you have 4 words. Dismiss, you have 4 words over here. To this, what word will be suitable word for manage? Where you add mismanage. Okay, so the meaning of the word changes. Now let us go on to the other word. Take the word taken. What word will be suitable over here? Mistaken. Taken, where you add the other word to the root word. Where you add the word, no, the meaning of the word, it changes. So what word will be suitable over here? Mistaken. Before you could go to the right answer, no, children, you must see which word will be suitable to the root word. According to that only you must go, you must choose the right words. Okay. Now next word, polite. What word can be taken for polite? What word shall we have, children? Impolite. Then next word, noble. For noble, what word shall we go? We can go with ignoble. Like this, where you add certain words before the root words, the meaning of the word changes. Now, shall we see some more word? Now, understand. What word can be added to understand? What word can be added to understand? Misunderstand. Okay, then pure. What word can be added? For pure, you can add impure. So you must know, children, any word that is added before the root word, it is prefix. Shall we go on with some more words? Now see, this is how you will get the questions. See the question how it is highlighted over here. The same way you will get the questions for exams also. This is your pattern and this is the way you will get. Form a new word by adding a suitable prefix to a root word. Flowered. To the root word flowed. What word you can go on, children, with this prefix? What words you can go on? Un, above, over, none. What word you can go on? Over. Over will be the right word to the root word flowed. Overflowed. Then comfortable. For comfortable, what word you can add? Un, in, not. What word will be suitable for comfortable? Uncomfortable. Like this, you can keep practicing. Examples from suffix, children. Suffix is nothing but the words that is added after the root words. That is suffix. Where you add some words after the root word, no, the meaning of the word changes. Now let us see some words over here. Form a new word by adding a suitable suffix to the root word original. Original, what will be suffix? What word can you go on, children? For original, look at the clues over there. Us, fully, ably, originally. Originally will be the right answer. Ly will be the right answer. Then next, form a new word by adding a suitable suffix to the root word success. For success, what word will be suitable, children? Ness, os, full, ed. What will be the right word over there? Full. Successful will be the right word. Now next, regard. For regard, what will be the right word? Less-ly full. What will be the right word? Regarded, regardless. So what will be the right suffix for regard? Regardless. Is cultivate. For cultivate, what will be the right word? Et, shen, sin, us. What will be the right word? Cultivation. Okay. Then pertain. For pertain, what will be the right word? Ed, us, y or ing. Pertaining will be the right word. Suffix is nothing but adding the word after the root word. It is suffix. You can keep trying some words, children. As you try at least 10 words now, you will know how to do it. Now child. What is the suffix? Yes, ed, us, ren. What will be the right word for this root word child? Children. Children will be the right word. Okay. Parliament. Next we'll see parliament. Rains, rain, us. Okay. What would be the right word for parliament? Parliamentarians. Parliamentarians. Okay. State. Now state, shall we see some words, children? For state, what will be the right word? Us, ness, men, en. What will be the right suffix for state? Statement. So statement will be the right word for state. Then convo. For convo, what will be the right word? Convocation. Understand, what will be the right word? Understanding. Okay. For generation. You can keep trying like this, children. As you keep trying some words, no, for sure you will come to know what is prefix and suffix. See, this all you would have read in your primary classes, children. In second and third standard you would have read. For sure you will come to know. Just have a practice of some words. Prefix is nothing but adding some words to the root words. Adding some words before the root word is prefix. Suffix is nothing but adding some words after the root word. It is suffix. Yes, children. Now let us go on to articles and determiners. Let us see what is articles, children. Articles also you would have learnt in your lower classes. So what are articles, children? A and the are known as articles. And what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to clarify what the noun refers to. Okay, now see, let us see here. This laughter therapy also plays a crucial role in social bonding. Okay, here the word this refers to a particular noun, laughter therapy. Laughter therapy, it is noun. Now this is referred to determiner. So determiners, what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of noun to clarify what the noun refers to. Now see, when you go on to the sentence, you will know better. Now here laughter therapy is noun. So what determiner is added before laughter therapy? This is added before laughter therapy. So determiners are nothing but it's a word placed in front of noun to clarify what the noun refers to. Yes, children, hope you would have understood what determiners. Now determiners, you have various types of determiners, children. Let us see what determiners are. See, in determiners, you have demonstrative determiners. See, as I said, articles, a and the are articles. Now, in determiners, you have types of determiners. Now, what are the types of determiners? First, we'll go on with demonstrative determiners. We'll go. This, that, these, those, these are all demonstrative. It demonstrates the things. These are all demonstrative determiners. Then possessive adjectives. My, his, her, it, our, your, their. These are all possessive adjective. Then quantifiers. Some, any, few, little, much, more, any, very. Quantifiers. It shows all the amount. Then numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All this. Ordinals. First, second, third, last, next. So all this, all no children, it comes under types of determiners. See, where you are thorough with all this, no articles, demonstrative, possessive, adjective, quantifiers, numbers, ordinals. This all are determiners. Only with help of this we are able to make proper sentence, children, understandable sentence. These determiners all know it comes before noun. Now shall we see some sentences, children? Shall we refer some sentences? Okay, we shall go on. Now read the paragraph before and fill in the blank using a, an or the. What is this, children? A, an or the. What are these all known as? These are known as articles. Now first let us see, let us fill up the blank with right articles. It is said that I dash computer. What should come here? I, a computer, is dash electronic extension of the human brain. So what should come in the second dash? An electronic extension of the human brain. Therefore, is principal dash computer. A computer. A computer can do those activities which a brain can do. Today, computers are found to be the most useful device as knowledge provides. Another important field of applications of computer is the development of robots. The internet has brought a drastic change in communication system. Okay. Next, shall we see the next part, children? In the following paragraph, insert a, an or the where necessary and rewrite the sentence. See here, no, is asking you to insert articles wherever it is necessary. So this all for your practice, children. Just keep doing it. Anyways, we'll revise now. In our family, we have planned to take the children to the zoo next Sunday. A van has been arranged and we are sure to have a comfortable journey. The zoo is an interesting place for the children who enjoy watching the animals and want to know more about them. Even the youngsters love to visit zoo. See where all you have to add articles, and what are the articles you would have understood now. Now let us move on to next, children. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. Over here articles have been included, children, so no need to go on with articles. Just will follow up with determiners. Once the emperor gave a bag of seeds to his council of ministers and said that he would give them 6 months' time to grow the seeds. Whoever does a good job will be made the next emperor of that empire. All the ministers took their task seriously. After 6 months, dash ministers. What should come there, children? After 6 months, many ministers had small plants in their pot. A dash had very large plant. A few had large plants. Dash had medium sized plants. Dash in the sense, what determiner should come here, children? Some had medium sized plants. The emperor entered the hall. He was dash amused to see. Dash amused? He was much amused to see the plants. He called the dash minister. He was much amused to see those plants. He called dash minister. He called first minister and asked him what he did with the seed. Dash minister explained. What should be the right determiner, children, there? Dash minister. That minister explained the process he adopted to make dash plant grow. What is the right answer there? His plant grow. The emperor called dash the other minister. Dash the other minister. The emperor called the other minister to explain what they did. Only dash minister had come. Only one minister had come with an empty pot. They laughed loudly at the foolishness of this minister, but the emperor applauded him and made him the dash emperor, made him the next emperor. Do you know why? He had given them boiled seeds which will not grow. Only dash minister was honest. What's the right answer, children? Only this minister was honest. Okay. So I hope you would have understood this determiners over here, children. Shall we go on with fill in the blanks also? Or you will try? Okay, you try doing it. If you have any doubt, we shall refer in other